This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Halo on violin. First, locate accurate sheet music or a trusted online tutorial for the iconic theme. Next, ensure your violin is perfectly tuned to standard GDAE. Focus on developing a smooth, consistent bowing technique to achieve the rich, sustained notes characteristic of the Halo soundtrack. Pay close attention to the key and time signatures to grasp the musical structure. Now, let's tackle the main melody. Divide the theme into smaller, digestible sections. Practice each phrase at a slow tempo, ensuring every note is in tune and the rhythm is precise. A metronome is your best friend here, helping you maintain a consistent beat. Remember to incorporate the dynamics indicated in the music, as these are crucial for capturing the epic feel of Halo. To elevate your performance, consider adding vibrato to those longer, sustained notes. It truly enriches the sound. If your arrangement includes them, practice any double stops or harmonies carefully to ensure clarity. Work on seamless transitions between the various sections of the theme. Ultimately, focus on expressive phrasing, allowing the music to convey the heroic and atmospheric essence of the Halo universe. For final refinement, record yourself playing and listen back critically to pinpoint any areas needing more attention. Consistent, short practice sessions, perhaps 20 minutes each day, are more effective than infrequent long ones. Don't be afraid to perform for others. It's a great way to build confidence. Most importantly, enjoy the journey of mastering this incredible piece and sharing its power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.